coming to Miracle Tabernacle Church of Deliverance, 201 Fairground Lane, Weldon, North Carolina, on March 25th, 2017, will be the 50th celebration for the Evereadys of Detroit, Michigan. And this is hosted by Wanda K Music Productions. Also on that program will be their special guest. Their special guest will be the Ingramettes of Richmond, Virginia. Also on that program will be Lee Walker and Spirit of Richmond, Virginia. Also on that program will be Elder Leroy Green and the Anointed Sons of Henderson, North Carolina. Coming from Rochester, New York, will be Wayne Norwood and the Children of God. Also on that program will be the Traveling Angels of Rocky Mount, North Carolina, and the Gospel Travelers of Garrisburg, North Carolina, and Supremacy of Buffalo, New York. Also on that program will be God's Chosen Voices of Gaston, North Carolina. This program will be free admission. That's right, you heard me. It'll be free admission. Wanda K Music Productions is blessing everyone for free admission and asking to bring a good offering to bless this group, Evereadys of Detroit, Michigan. They've been singing for 50 years, and we want to bless them and have a great blessing for them. Again, it's the 50th anniversary for the Evereadys of Detroit, Michigan. March 25th at 5 p.m. at Miracle Tabernacle Church of Deliverance, 201 Fairground Lane in Weldon, North Carolina. Again, admission is free. The MC will be Evangeline Bullock of Shine a Little Light. Don't just meet me there, beat me there. And for more information, you can call me, yours truly, at Lady Wanda K at 252-532-7056. You're taking an hour ride on the gospel train with your host, Lady Wanda K. Don't touch that dial. And here are those honorees, the Evereadys of Detroit, Michigan, with So Real.
So real, so real, so real, this feeling that I feel.
You're taking a ride on the gospel train today with your host, Lady Wanda K. Stay tuned in.
I never thought that I could be so happy until I met the Lord. You see, and I never thought my life could have so much meaning until I met you, Lord. You know He picked me up, turned me round, He placed my feet till I met you, Lord. This is what you did. You picked me up, turned me round. Then you know you placed my feet on higher ground. Then you gave me a touch I never felt before. This is what it down in my soul. Got to be real, got to be real, got to be real. This feeling that I feel. I don't know, maybe you don't know what I'm talking about, but it feels so good. It feels so good. I never felt this way. No, no, so real, so real. It's got to be real, yeah. This feeling that I feel. Listen, let me tell you about it, Lord. Makes me feel so good down in my soul. Ha. I've got a feeling that no one else knows. Listen, something about this love makes you feel so good inside. When it makes you stop to cry, when ain't nobody bothering you, you want it to go on and on and on and on and on, Lord. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Makes me wanna throw up both my hands. Makes me wanna run on, run on, run on, run on in Jesus' name. I wanna tell somebody it's got to be real. If you know what I'm talking about, maybe you wanna get up, maybe you wanna stand up and let somebody know that's in the room with ya. Tell them it's so real, so real. It's so real, don't it feel good to ya? Yeah. I know for myself, I don't need nobody else to tell me how it feels. So real. I got it for myself, dog. Yes, 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 yes. I've got to tell somebody it's so real. You know this feeling that I feel.
That was the Everettys from Detroit, Michigan with So Real. This feeling that I feel. And if you don't feel that feeling of Jesus, you can say this nobody's fault but mine. You're taking a ride on the gospel train today with your host, Lady Wanda K. Stay tuned in.
If I don't make it easy, it ain't nobody's fault. I can't blame you but mine. If on our knees and tell God to work it out. Please work it out. Work it out, yes. Work it out. And do it for me, Jesus. He's a doctor in the sick room. Work it out. He's a lawyer in the court. Work it out. He's a friend of our friends. Work it out. Mighty counselor. Work it out. It's alright.
You're taking a ride on the gospel train today
When you
with
can't
your
do
host, Lady
nothing
Wanda K.
else.
Stay tuned in.